So initially the scooters come with auto start, so when you press it, it will start running. If you want to change it, you need to press both together. You will go to internal settings, so you have to press the power button to change the settings. So these settings are related to the battery and controller, so do not change them. The settings which we can change is P8, which is for speed. Right now it's limited to 70. I can go more, like the limit is 70, but you can go until in the system you can go until 100. So you can limit the speed from here. You can make it like 25, 20, 30, whatever you like. Let's say I put it on 51, and if I press the power button to go to the next function, 9, so this is like auto start or push start. So if I press the mode, now see non, so that's mean like it's non-zero start, and if it's done, we can press together to come back. Now this is push start, so you have to go to 5 km/h speed, you have to push it, then it will run. And if you want to like change the or increase this one, you can, like, this is the maximum you can go. You can lower it down, just loose these screws, lower it down if you like. You can lift it up as much as you can. That's the only height available right now.